I want to do a upcoming video on tool organizing, which is getting really out of hand these days. Not with me, just with everybody in general. Just not having anywhere to place your pliers, your sockets, and loose wrenches. When you close your door, they just fly and flip and slide all over the place. It's just really getting out of hand on my part. Loose sockets everywhere. Just it's starting to get crazy in my eyes. But pliers, just like 8-9 pair of pliers and side cutters and wire strippers just take up a whole drawer. Just lost space. I mean, drills and impact guns and wrenches, you just can't really do anything about that because it's just what it is in storage space. Same thing here, just nothing organized. Other loose wrenches just all over the place. Just again, so much lost space. Probably only organized thing I have is my electrician's screwdrivers. Other than that, it's just out of hand, like I said. Same thing down here. Hammers. Dead bow hammers, drawer for cut-off wheels and flap discs. Impact guns, getting out of hand. So hopefully we'll be able to do something about this, hopefully very soon. I want to take a look on Amazon and local websites and see what I can find and see what I can do. Even up here with storage and shelves, just parts and everything. Just see what happens. And I'll get back to you as soon as I find something and pick it up and start this second video. Thank you.